Morning everyone, welcome back to RedClean. We're down here on a Tuesday morning at the Mercure Hotel in Milton Keynes. It's a lovely day down here, the sun is shining, boys are hard at work already, you can probably hear and see them. And you know, we'll go and check on how the boys are doing. But today we're just clearing some gutters, cleaning some windows. Large property, beautiful property in the Mercure Hotel. And yeah, we'll go and check how they're doing. Morning Harry mate, how you getting on?
All good, all good.
Yeah, cleaning the gutters over here. You've done the back already, right? You've done.
Yeah, already done on the back. Just working my way around nice and slowly.
Nice. I'm going to check on how Stuart's getting on. Right Stuart, getting hot out here, huh?
Shit out of me then. Yeah, it is getting warm.
Yeah. You can take a dip in this little fountain thing here.
Yeah, that's it.
Shove it off.
Get naked, jump in.
I'm sure they'd love that Mercure, yeah.
Oh, yeah. All these people eating their breakfast are going to love that.
To be fair, you've got like what, like 3 stories of sort of.
In place.
Yeah, quite a bit man. Have you done that whole courtyard then?
I've done all that bit, yeah.
Oh nice.
Just got this bit, all of that there,
Yeah.
and then back round to the front end.
Oh okay, nice. Oh, you're making good progress to be fair then.
Huh?
You're making good progress.
Yeah.
Final stretch then, Stuart?
Yeah,
Yeah, just these two. Oh, lovely.